Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to calculate percentage of total and apply it to calculate sales contribution or market share. Though it's an easy concept, beginners struggle when dragging formulas down and use wrong totals. So let's see how to calculate sales contribution or market share percentage in Excel. So here let's say for the month of January I want to see what was the contribution of sales for each of these products. So one way to do that is to divide the sales for that product by the sum of the sales of all the products for that month. So this gives a number. Now you don't have to multiply by 100 to get the percentage. Just click on this percentage icon. So laptop's sale contribution is 31% of the total sales in Jan. Now another way to calculate the percentage is to first make the total of all the products, and this is a commonly used way. In most organizations you will find a monthly total separately. So first I'll add up the sales for each of these products. So I have a monthly total here which is sum of all these numbers. So I've calculated the monthly total separately. Now you just go here, take the sales of laptop and divide it by the monthly total. It will give you the percentage. So it will give you the sales contribution of laptop. Similarly, you can do it for the other products. You can drag the formula to the other cells for the other products, which just remember Excel uses relative referencing. So when you drag the formula to the other cells, you see the denominator which should be D10, it will change to D11, D12, D13. So this is not what we want because we want the denominator to be this monthly total. So we need to lock it by giving the dollar sign. This is the concept of absolute reference. I've covered this in another video. Now I have locked the denominator which is the monthly total. Now if I drag the formula to the other cells, it will calculate the right contribution for the other products also. Right now these are not the correct sales contributions. So I'll drag it now. And these are the right percentages. So this is how you calculate percentages of total. You can apply this concept to calculate market share also. So few things to keep in mind. You don't have to multiply by 100. Just click on this percentage sign or select percentage from this drop down. Secondly, make sure all your numbers are numbers and not stored as text. Make sure they are right aligned. If they are left aligned, then you must investigate. It could be text. And finally, if you are subtracting by a number that should remain fixed, use the dollar sign. Use absolute referencing. Well, this is how most beginners calculate percentage. You can also use pivot table, which makes it much easier to calculate percentage. You don't even have to use any formulas. Select the relevant data, go to insert pivot table, click on this. Just provide the range, say OK. So these are the fields. So what I do is I'll select the product, I'll select the values. It shows me the monthly sales figures. To see the percentages, I just have to right click anywhere on this data table and you see show values as. You can say percentage of grand total. It shows the percentage. That's all in this video. Subscribe for more such tutorials.